Your last 30 days show $927 in spend. $326 of that went to search terms with 0 conversions. 101 distinct terms sit as negative keyword candidates right now. Average CPA sits at $42. Without a working ads conversion tag, ROAS is a guess, and you are flying blind on every bid. A missing Google Ads conversion tag means GA4 may still record sessions, while bid systems see nothing useful. Smart bidding optimizes toward the wrong signal or no signal at all. You keep paying for clicks that never teach the account what a sale looks like. That is how $326 vanishes into 0 conversion terms before anyone notices. Connecting GA4 to an AI agent changes the loop. Instead of exporting CSVs and hunting rows by hand, you ask for anomalies, get the why, and fix the root cause in order. The point is not more dashboards. The point is a short path from blind spend to a clean conversion signal you can trust. Step 1 is connect GA4 so Buddy can read the same events your site already fires. You link the property, confirm the measurement ID, and grant the read scope the agent needs. Without that pipe, every later question is guesswork. The connection is why anomalies map to real sessions instead of orphaned ad clicks. When the link is live, event names, conversion marks, and session counts line up under one view. You check that purchase or lead events exist and that timestamps look sane. This step exists because AI cannot explain a gap it cannot see. Clean access is the foundation under every insight that follows. Step 2 is pull anomalies across the window you care about. Ask for spend pockets with 0 conversions, sudden CPA spikes, and landing pages that take budget without events. On this account, that surface showed $326 on barren search terms and 101 negative candidates. You pull first so the diagnosis starts from evidence, not hunches. Those anomalies are not decoration. $326 at a $42 average CPA is budget that could have bought roughly 7 more conversions if the signal and the query set were clean. 101 terms give you a concrete negative list. Pulling them into one pass is why you stop discovering waste weeks late in a spreadsheet. This order matters because a broken tag poisons every story the data tells. If you negate keywords or rewrite bids before the conversion tag works, you optimize on silence. Connect, pull, ask why, then fix the tag first. That sequence keeps you from acting on false zeros and protects ROAS decisions from bad instrumentation. Step 3 is ask Buddy why the anomaly exists. Point at the 0 conversion spend and request the likely causes ranked by evidence. The agent cross-checks GA4 events against click paths and tag presence. You want the root cause named in plain language so the fix targets the pipe, not a random creative tweak. In practice, the answer often lands on a missing or partial ads conversion tag. GA4 shows traffic. Ads shows cost. Nothing ties the two into a conversion Buddy can trust for ROAS. Asking why is how you separate a true demand problem from a tracking hole that only looks like poor performance. Step 4 is fix the tag first before you touch bids or negatives at scale. Install or repair the Google Ads conversion tag, verify it fires on the thank you path, and confirm GA4 and ads agree on the event. Until that fires, automated insights stay noisy. The tag is why later optimizations finally mean something. After the tag is healthy, the same anomaly list becomes actionable. Now a 0 conversion term is a real negative candidate, not a tracking artifact. You can add the 101 terms with confidence and reallocate the $326 pattern going forward. Fixing instrumentation first is why the cleanup sticks instead of masking a deeper gap. Once GA4 feeds the agent and the tag is solid, daily questions get short. What wasted spend appeared overnight? Which CPA moved? Where events dropped? You stop flying blind on ROAS because the conversion signal and the anomaly path share one source of truth. That is the operating rhythm this setup is built for. Walk the path once in order. Connect GA4, pull anomalies, ask Buddy why, fix the tag first. Skip ahead and you will chase keywords while conversions never reach ads. Respect the sequence and 927 months stop leaking $326 into silence. The discipline is the product as much as the software. Recap the live snapshot. $927 spend, $326 on 0 conversion terms, 101 negative candidates, $42 average CPA. A missing ads conversion tag turns those numbers into fog. Connect GA4, pull the anomalies, ask why, repair the tag, then act. Automated insights only pay off when the signal is real. Run this on your own account the same way this morning's numbers were read. Use the agent to surface waste, name the cause, and repair tracking before you scale bids. The full walkthrough lives on the blog on Ahmeego.com. Buddy by Ahmeego, a company of It All Started with an Idea.